What are you guys doing?
No, be quiet. The snail won't come out.
Oh, we have to be careful so the snail will come out?
I know, you have to be quiet.
Oh, shh. Okay.
Quiet.
Okay.
Quiet, Sarah.
We have to be quiet because there's a snail. And we're waiting for it to come out. Okay. Is it coming out? Is it coming out? Oh, okay. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. Farrah, why are you crying? What's the matter? Mitchell told you to be quiet? It's okay, sweetie. It's okay. Shh, okay. Were you eating dirt, Farrah? Farrah, look at me. Did you eat dirt? No? Are you sure, honey? You didn't eat any dirt.
You're lying, Farrah. You're lying.
Did you see her eat dirt? Why didn't you stop her from eating dirt when you saw her?
Farrah's lying.
Farrah, are you lying? Did you eat dirt? No?
No, she's lying.
All right, how about nobody eats any dirt? Okay. Okay. Okay, have fun with the snail, guys.